So, this Captain Quark, is he a pirate in your dimension too?
No, he's a hero. Even though he's betrayed us, surrendered to save his own skin, taking credit for our...
He's a hero?
Because no matter how many times he screws up, he's always there when it matters most. He never stops trying.
The dimension's falling apart, the Emperor's all-powerful, and my life's in danger. Perfect time for a career change.
And there you are.
What are you doing?
Hero stuff!
Ah!